For me, it's actually really motivating, or it's really interesting to see help coming to you from so far away and, within a short period of time. So it's quite interesting for me.
The Advanced Medical and Public Health Summit was designed to save lives. We knew that students could come together to learn about the 4 most deadliest diseases in the developing world, learn from doctors from the countries that are affected by it the most to diagnose and treat those diseases, and then bring together leaders from Microsoft and Facebook to use telemedicine, specifically using Oculus Rift devices that connect them to actual doctors in the developing world who are wearing headsets that allow students to see through their eyes, to hear through their ears, and then tell those doctors what to do and say to diagnose a real patient. There is no program in the world anything like it. So when a student comes here for a week, they are transformed into a doctor. They walk away knowing what it's like to treat a patient, what it's like to save a life, what it's like to be the future of medicine. In addition to all of that, they spend days working at Howard University, learning how to do upper endoscopies, learning how to do abdominal ultrasounds, learning phlebotomy, so that they know the different ins and outs of being a doctor. The Red Cross is coming in, they're certifying them as one of our top partners in CPR, first aid, AED, so they know how to use defibrillators. And then throughout the week, they're peppered in with special opportunities to meet with admissions officers from Johns Hopkins University, to meet with admissions officers from Georgetown, George Washington University, so that they know how to become that doctor that they were this week. In addition to that, they are meeting with pediatricians, heart surgeons, EMTs, top researchers in genetics, neuroethicists, so that they can see the gambit of people that they could become someday. So at the end of the week, not only have we ignited their passion for medicine, but we've given them a path to pursue their future. And there's not a program that we do that's more hands-on, that lets you know who you could be, than our Advanced Medical and Public Health Summit.
One of the students had a seriously sick patient, and I was thinking, okay, she's helping out in many ways. She's helping out with the treatment of this patient. She's saving the life of this patient. The mother of this patient couldn't afford nothing. I want them to look deep inside their heart and find out who they are inside, and if they can walk on that person, because you have to be empathic. You have to be able to stretch out an arm to someone who needs help. Medicine is not just about the qualification, but about who you are. So you have to be a good person first before you can take care of any other person.
Advanced Medical and Public Health Summit.